Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video of the little bit of renovation that we did in our family room on our fireplace. So this is a picture that sort of shows what it first looked like when we bought the house. Nice little cat grotto and an older fireplace that's gas. So the first step was filling the hole, and the second step was starting the renovation. So I think the main part was trying to rip out the gas fireplace and retrofit it so all the gas lines were plugged up, and we also needed to ensure that there was a plug there for the electric heat, and also making sure we're able to turn on the fireplace. But looks pretty crazy. Looks like there's a lot of space in here. Look at all the ductwork. Alright, so we got it. New fireplace in. Framed up. Sucks that we get to lose some of that space back there, but getting a nice little upgrade here. So this is after patching it up and drywalling it off so that we just see the fireplace. No more holes. So then we finally get to see what it looks like with the fireplace on. Lots of different features. You can change the lights, you can turn on the heat, you can turn it on to a certain temperature, but this is what it looks like without the backsplash. And this is what it looks like at night. And it does make a nice crackling sound to mimic what an actual fireplace sounds like. And this is what it looks like with the backsplash. And this is what it looks like side by side with the old fireplace. And you can let me know in the comments what you think. This overall costs around $5,000 for the labor, the electricity, as well as the fireplace itself. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.